95%. That's the percentage of recruiters that use LinkedIn as a primary tool for their talent sourcing. 95%, that's a crazy number. So what that means for us as job seekers is that we need to make sure that our profiles are easy to find, easily searchable, and not only that, we want to make sure that we are grabbing and keeping the attention of people who do land on our profile. So here are 10 quick fixes that you can do to your LinkedIn during your lunch hour that will help it appear more polished and more searchable. Number 1, don't like your profile picture? Have it retaken by a family member or friend. Just make sure you're wearing your typical professional attire, standing against a neutral background and looking directly at the camera and smiling. Number 2, are you using your default header? Make sure you update it to something more descriptive. A formula that I like to use is what you do plus the main solution that you create. Number 3, make sure that your job titles in your professional experience resonate across your industry and beyond. So for example, customer service ninja isn't something that's going to be searched, let alone resonate across your industry. Whereas something like customer service representative, customer service manager, that will resonate. Number 4, make sure that the top 3 skills that you most want to be known for are pinned in your skills section. Number 5, have you included anything confidential? Make sure that you delete it. Number 6, does your LinkedIn profile URL have a bunch of random numbers and letters after your name? Use the customize your URL function in LinkedIn to clean that up. Number 7, can you conduct business in another language? If so, make sure you add that language to your languages section, or if you can't do business in that language, make sure that you delete it or leave it off your profile. You never want to end up in a situation where you're being interviewed in a language that you're rusty in. Number 8, is your profile all-star status? Make sure you follow the prompts to get it there. This will help amplify your visibility. Number 9, are you actively job searching? Then turn on the open candidates feature. Number 10, are you linking to your employer's company pages on LinkedIn or your school's company pages on LinkedIn? Make sure that you do, because this will enhance your networking capability. So this list is just scratching the surface. What would you add to this list? Comment below. Also, check out how to get found on LinkedIn, a LinkedIn video created by my good friend, Diana YK Chan. She offers some great insight about how recruiters actually use LinkedIn when they're searching for the best candidate for the roles that they're filling. And as always, stay tuned for next Tuesday's Tuesday 10. Thanks for joining.